This is Greg from Defoo IT. We're a technology service provider based in the East Midlands with extensive knowledge of the manufacturing industry. We've teamed up with Business Micros, the leading software supplier to the fenestration industry, to provide you with a series of short videos around how you can avoid having to worry about downtime due to IT systems failure and how you can better protect your business from cyber attack. Cyber attack is possibly the biggest threat to manufacturing today. Therefore, in this video series, we're going to cover the basics of cybersecurity and tell you what you should be doing as a bare minimum in order to reduce the risk of cyber attack. Throughout this video series, we're going to focus on 5 key areas. Those are firewalls, secure configuration of your IT systems, security updates, user access control, and malware protection. One of the key components in a resilient cybersecurity strategy is the secure configuration of your systems. This is especially important for organisations in the manufacturing sector, where a breach could mean production delays, costly repairs, and damage to your reputation. Secure configuration involves setting up IT systems in a way that minimises vulnerabilities and reduces the risk of unauthorised access. This isn't just about installing firewalls and antivirus software, it's about ensuring that every system, from servers to individual workstations to production line systems, are configured securely from the ground up. Here's what secure configuration looks like in practice. First, avoid using default settings for any system or software. Default passwords and configurations are well known to cybercriminals and can be easily exploited. Always change default passwords to strong, unique ones and disable any default accounts that aren't in use. All too often, we see IT teams leaving pre-installed software on critical business systems because it's easy to do so and speeds up deployment. As an example, if a software application that has come pre-installed on a user's laptop isn't required for the daily operation of your business, it should be removed. Otherwise, it's one more target to worry about and one more application that needs to be kept up to date. Next, implement the principle of least privilege. This means giving users the minimum level of access necessary to perform their jobs. For instance, not everyone needs to have admin permissions on their device, allowing them to install software and make configuration changes. By limiting access, if the worst should happen and a breach does occur, then you will have contained it to a specific area of the system only. Alongside this, you should review user accounts regularly and revoke access for any employees who no longer need it, especially when they leave the company. Dormant accounts are a common target for hackers. The secure configuration isn't limited to just servers and desktops. All devices, including smartphones, tablets, and other network-connected devices used in your manufacturing process, such as handheld scanners, should be configured securely. This includes setting strong device passwords, encrypting data, and disabling unnecessary features. For manufacturing companies, the security of network-connected devices on the shop floor is just as important as the office environment. Ensure that these devices are configured to limit access to only trusted users and systems. Replace them when they're outdated and remove them when they're no longer required. Finally, but probably most importantly, identify and document all configurations and maintain an inventory of your IT assets. Understanding and documenting what assets you have not only helps in maintaining secure configurations, but also aids in monitoring and auditing systems for any signs of tampering or unauthorised changes. Identifying exactly what assets you need to protect is a critical step in minimising the risk of cyber attack. After all, you can't protect assets you don't know you have, so don't ignore this step. Secure configuration is really all about being organised and not being lazy about setting up systems thoroughly and documenting the configuration. By following these secure configuration practices, you can significantly reduce the risk of cyber attacks. Secure systems mean a more resilient business, protecting not only your company's assets, but its reputation. That brings us to the end of this video. Remember, cybersecurity is an ongoing process. Stay vigilant, keep your systems secure. Keep an eye out for more of these videos over the coming weeks. If you need additional advice around IT or cybersecurity, then please feel free to reach out. The contact details are in the description, and we will see you in the next video.